Has something changed in the COVID-19 outbreak in emergency surgery? Experience with a single core. The COVID-19 pandemic greatly affected hospitals and how patients received surgical care. At Sant Anna University Hospital in Ferrara, Italy, the number of emergency surgeries dropped during the peak of the outbreak as resources were shifted to treat COVID-19 patients. This study compared emergency surgeries performed during 1 month of the pandemic, 9th March to 9th April 2020, with the same period in the previous year 2019. The study found that only 27 emergency surgeries were done in 2020 compared to 46 in 2019, a 41.3% decrease. The hospital had to reduce available operating rooms and patient beds due to the pandemic. In addition, the complication rate after surgery was higher during the pandemic. 55% of patients in 2020 experienced complications compared to 36.9% in 2019. Most patients during the pandemic were screened for COVID-19 using chest scans and swab tests. Only one patient tested positive and sadly passed away after surgery. This research shows that during the COVID-19 crisis, fewer emergency surgeries were performed and patient outcomes were worse. These changes highlight the major impact the pandemic had on emergency surgical care, likely similar to what other hospitals in Italy experienced. Introduction. This study looks at how the COVID-19 pandemic affected emergency surgeries at a major hospital in Ferrara, Italy. During the first wave of the outbreak in March-April 2020, the Italian government enforced a nationwide lockdown to control the virus's spread. Hospitals faced overwhelming pressure, leading to the cancellation of non-urgent and non-cancer surgeries. At Sant Anna University Hospital, many staff were reassigned to COVID-19 care, and operating rooms were turned into intensive care units. As a result, the number of beds and surgeries for other patients had to be reduced. This research compares emergency surgeries and patient outcomes during the COVID-19 peak with the same period in 2019 to understand how the pandemic affected surgical care. The findings help highlight the broader impact of health crisis on hospital systems and can guide better planning for future emergencies. Conclusion. During the COVID-19 lockdown in March-April 2020, our hospital saw a significant drop in emergency surgeries. This likely happened across Italy due to overwhelmed healthcare systems and restricted hospital access. While fewer patients were admitted for urgent care, the number of serious cases, like intestinal perforations and other life-threatening conditions, remained about the same. This suggests that only the most critical cases came to the hospital, often in worse condition than usual. As a result, complications from surgery were more common in 2020 than in the same period in 2019. The smaller number of patients also makes it hard to confirm if death rates changed. This experience raises important questions about whether too many minor surgeries are done under normal conditions. Future research with larger data samples is needed, but the pandemic may help rethink how and when surgery is truly necessary. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.